Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As you already read about the title, today I'm going to show you how to link your Discord account to your PS5. Now, if you search your Discord on the search menu or media or players or media, right? If you search it on there, it won't come up. So I don't know why. It should have made it easier to connect that onto your PS5. But what will come up is your YouTube, which I don't know why. It won't come up. So the quickest way is to go to your settings, right? Go to your user and account and then linked services. It will be the quickest way you can link your Discord and receive calls to your PS5. So if we press on Discord, you can read this and then link, and then you can either use your QR code and scan it and then go through your phone, or you can use the browser from here, straightforward, which I think should be the quickest way or the easiest way to do it. And then we're gonna sign in with your email and password from here, right? So let's get straight into it. So once you logged in, like the easiest way I think is to go to your Discord on your phone and then scan the QR code. Will be the easiest way for you to get in if you don't remember the password or you don't want to write the whole thing, and then just authorize, and then that's it. You have everything on there, and then that's all it is. You just go back, as you can see your Discord is linked on there. So if you get a call or something from there, you'll be able to get it on your here underneath your like PS5s and stuff. So you don't have to be going through the whole thing while whenever you get a call from there after you linked it, you can then just send it straight to your PS5, and then you can just start your chats from your linked Discord account. So whenever you press the PS home, you will see that on your activities on here, and then you don't have to be. You can only accept calls, which is very bad. If we had an app on the PS5, would be better. But anyways, what can we do? So that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching the channel. If you like this video, just like the video, comment down below what else or any video you want me to make a video about, or what you think about this video. And that's all for today. Until next time, you beautiful people. Bye.